I rise today in support of H.R. 2397, the American Manufacturer Leadership Act. This legislation reauthorizes and amends the Bipartisan Revitalization American Manufacturing Innovation Act of 2014. Nationally, manufacturing supports nearly 13 million American jobs, or roughly 9% of the workforce, and represents about 11% of the American economy. Most of these firms are small manufacturers supporting local economies by providing well-paying jobs. Technology will continue to dramatically change this sector. Today's manufacturing floor looks far different from the assembly lines of the past, and the skills needed by manufacturing workers will continue to change. Innovative processes, such as additive manufacturing, are transforming the future of manufacturing. It is essential that these technologies are transformed to and adopted by all U.S. manufacturers so that we remain globally competitive and the #1 destination for companies looking to carry out advanced manufacturing. With manufacturers in the United States performing 64% of all private sector R&D in the nation, it's important that we capitalize on those investments and reauthorize the network of public-private partnerships established in this act, which bolsters manufacturing innovation. This bill includes important reforms to better coordinate centers for manufacturing innovation funded by all relevant agencies and incorporates recommendations made by the Government Accountability Office to improve management. This bill also prioritizes manufacturing workforce development and outreach to small and medium-sized manufacturers. I want to thank Representative Stevens and Representative Alderson for introducing this legislation and for their work in ushering it through the Science Committee on a bipartisan basis. I encourage my colleagues to support this legislation, and I would note to my colleague, I have no other speakers, so as I reserve my time, when you're prepared, I'll close, and I reserve the balance of my time.